Good morning. Good morning from Cape San Blas, Florida. It's in the panhandle of the peninsula of Florida, and Cape San Blas is its own fishhook peninsula. I figure we can never get enough of the beach. So I'm going to walk. Oh, and the sun feels glorious. Walk out to the water. I was thinking as the sun tried to warm my left knee, which has been bothering me. Left knee of Mary T. Bringing you a Sunday Stroll, which might just be a Sunday roll. Just watching the waves. That might be what I can do. Okay, it's Thanksgiving week. Good to see you. Let me give you a beautiful view of the sun behind me and of the water. It's very lovely that we have the entire American Thanksgiving week off from school. Let me give you a shot of the house staying in. It's up there. And my sister, of course, had this great idea for Thanksgiving to bring the family together. And it was the first time that the 5 sisters of the family were together in over 2.5 years. So it was beautiful. More family came in last night. But the house is large enough to have more than 20 people in the space of the dining room and living room and kitchen so that nobody feels crowded. So my sister did a great job. So, of course, coming out and noticing. And, of course, it's mindful self-compassion. So noticing. And how the waves of the wind have sculpted the sand. And the beautiful beach. And the lovely rolling waves. So part of me thought I could do a Sunday stroll or I could do a Sunday roll and just enjoy the water rolling into the sands as we just enjoyed this beautiful sunny day. Of course, for me from South Florida, it was very chilly this morning, maybe 40 degrees Fahrenheit. But the sun is glorious, just a few really high clouds. And again, the sun dancing on the water. A lot of people with their dogs walking the beach. It's a very popular vacation rental location. And the little drop off here with the high tide came and took a bit of the sand. And of course, again, just noticing what is here. People's prints, dog prints. I guess it's coming to low tide, but I don't see a whole lot of shells this morning. So I will continue to look for some shells as we enjoy the rolling waves. We have this sweet little shell here, even in its brokenness, next to another shell that had been broken, glistening in the sunshine, with the sugar sand catching the sun, refracting it back. I'm reminded even in our brokenness, definitely my brokenness, there may be beauty. Of course, as we can see, the little black lines of where the water had brought its foam, depositing whatever had been floating, minuscule black spots. I'm not going to touch it in case it's tar. The foam. And the wind grabbing the spray off of the rolling waves as they curl. I was sitting up on the third floor patio watching the waves as they rolled to my left and continued the momentum of the waves. It was such a soothing thing for me to observe. Think of the Stevie Winwood song, Roll With It, Baby. I guess from this perspective, with the sun in front of me, gorgeously bringing warmth, where we can see the spray come off those waves. Let's see if we can get there a little closer. Okay, it is going to be the Sunday roll. Sit here and do a little practice as we watch the waves. And think of all which I am grateful for. And perhaps along with me, take a moment to consider all that you are grateful for as well. In my family, Thanksgiving is a very important holiday for us. Came from a family of 8, 1 older brother and 4 younger sisters. And Thanksgiving, I think we had adopted as most precious. All right. It is most precious. I realized that somehow the recording discontinued. Most precious. Illnesses and unemployment in the family, difficult times. Thanksgiving was a marker in our year. Regardless of what may have been difficult, we had each other. Hard times and good times. So being able to join my sisters and their families, it's a real blessing. So my sister did very well in deciding that renting a house and then opening it up to whomever in the family. And it is going to be a very large group. My brother-in-law's family, his mom, who's a doll. I love being with her. My sister, all my sisters, sister-in-law from my brother whom we've lost, and her children, and the grandchildren. It was pretty exciting. And what better place could we be but on a beach with the glorious sunshine? Taking stock of all for which we are grateful. Kind Mind Academy for sure. Mindful self-compassion. Catherine, Liz, and Barbara, and all of the Kind Mind Academy gurus. You, my brothers and sisters, in the Kind Mind Academy grad group. Definitely have helped me through a heck of coming up on 2 years. The upheaval in my what I thought was an ordered life. Mindful self-compassion and kind mind and the practices definitely helped me roll with all the major changes. And growing through it with the support of the Circle of Joy of Kind Mind Academy grads, as well as the circles of practice from the Mindful Self-Compassion organization. I've definitely come through that side much better, stronger than I ever thought was possible. More whole and healed than I ever imagined. So bringing to mind people in our lives without whom we would definitely have a diminishment in our joy, in our hearts. Of course, this fresh sea air, it's easy to breathe. And remember to breathe. And the smile of gratitude, mine is ear to ear this morning. And again, the glinting sunlight on the shore as the waves roll in. And almost an echo of the white foam in that cloud above the horizon. And the sunshine so warm. And even for the pain in my knee, I can be grateful this morning. Because how could I not be grateful? Being able to sit on a beach with you. taking stock of all that I have in my life for which I am grateful. So it's a Sunday roll with Mary T. Thanks so much for being here with me. Until next time, we'll just let it roll. Until next time, may you be blessed.